mechanical engineering.
The world runs on engineering, and at the University of Gondar, we are shaping the future of innovation. Welcome to the Mechanical Engineering Department, where creativity meets technology. What powers the world around us? What makes machines move, cars run, and technology advance? The answer: mechanical engineering. What is mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering is everywhere, from the depths of the ocean to the vastness of space. It's the foundation of innovation, blending creativity, problem-solving, and technology. If it moves, it's mechanical engineering. Even in something as small as your smartphone, mechanical engineers play a role in heat transfer, packaging, and manufacturing. Why choose mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineers shape the world. From designing life-saving medical devices to building the cars and smartphones we use every day, our work improves lives. We create solutions that help doctors save lives, developing MRI machines, surgical instruments, and prosthetics. And we're leading the fight against climate change, designing energy-efficient systems, renewable energy solutions, and sustainable innovations. Mechanical engineers are at the heart of progress. At the University of Gondar, our cutting-edge mechanical engineering labs provide students with hands-on experience using advanced technology. From automotive and thermal labs to design, material testing, and manufacturing, our students develop real-world skills that set them apart. In our automotive lab, students dive into internal combustion engines, vehicle diagnostics, and mechanical power transmission, preparing them for the future of transportation. Our manufacturing lab offers practical training in machining, CNC programming, and wood processing, equipping students with essential industry skills. And in our design and material lab, students analyze material properties, test mechanical strength, and create innovative engineering designs, shaping the future of engineering. Mechanical engineering offers endless opportunities. Explore these exciting fields: automotive engineering, passionate about cars, design and improve vehicles, from fuel-efficient engines to electric mobility; thermal engineering, master energy transfer and power generation, vital for HVAC, refrigeration, and sustainable energy. Manufacturing engineering, turn ideas into reality, learn automation, CNC machining, and 3D printing. Aerospace engineering, design aircraft and spacecraft for a new era of flight. Robotics and mechatronics, blend mechanics, electronics, and AI to create smart machines and robots. Energy engineering, power the future with renewable energy, batteries, and sustainable systems. Material science engineering, develop stronger, lighter, and more efficient materials for industries worldwide. The future is yours. The world needs engineers, thinkers, innovators, and builders of the future. At the University of Gondar, you'll gain hands-on experience, industry exposure, and the skills to make a real impact.
Civil engineering.
ሲቪል ምህንድስና ምንድነው? የሲቪል ምህንድስና ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ያለው ከጥንት ጀምሮ ነው። ምክንያቱም ለሰው ልጆች መሰረታዊ ከሚባለው ነገር አንዱ መጠለያ ነው። ስለዚህ መጠለያ የሚለው ሐሳብ ሲጀመር ጀምሮ ያለ ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ነው። የሲቪል ምህንድስና ግቡ ደህንነቱ የተጠበቀ አስተማማኝና ጥራት ያለው አኗኗርን መፍጠር ነው። እንደ አጠቃላይ ሲቪል ምህንድስና ለምን ይጠቅማል? ሲቪል ምህንድስና አጠቃላይ የኢንፍራስትራክቸር እድገትን ያመጣል። ኢንፍራስትራክቸር ስንል የቤቶች ግንባታ፣ የመንገድ ስራዎችና ሌሎችንም ግንባታዎች ያጠቃልላል። እነዚህን ነገሮች በሚሰራበት ሰዓት ደግሞ ብዙ የሰው ኃይል ስለሚያካትቱ የግለሰቦችና የአገር ኢኮኖሚ አብሮ እንዲያድግ ያግዛል። ምቹና ተስማሚ አካባቢ እንዲኖር ያደርጋል። ከተፈጥሮና ሰው ሰራሽ አደጋ የምንከላከልበት መንገድ ይሰራበታል። ጎንደር ዩኒቨርሲቲ ውስጥ የሚገኘው የሲቪል ምህንድስና ትምህርት ክፍል ልዩ የሚያደርገው ምንድነው? አንደኛ፣ በውስጡ ትጉህና ልምድ ያላቸው ብዙ መምህራንና የአካዳሚክ ቴክኒካል ረዳቶች አሉት። ሁለተኛ፣ ከኢንዱስትሪዎች ጋር ባለው ትስስር ምክንያት ኢንተርንሺፕ በማስወጣትና የመስክ ጉብኝት በማድረግ ተማሪዎቹ ተግባራዊ ትምህርት እንዲያገኙ ያደርጋል። የተሟሉ ቤተ ሙከራዎች አሉት። አብዛኞቹ ከዚህ ትምህርት ክፍል የተመረቁ ተማሪዎች ምስጉንና በሙያቸው ተፈላጊ መሆናቸው ልዩ ያደርገዋል። የሲቪል ምህንድስና ትምህርት ክፍል በውስጡ የአፈር ምርምር ቤተ ሙከራ፣ አጠቃላይ የኮንስትራክሽን ግብአቶች ምርምር ቤተ ሙከራ፣ የመንገድ ስራዎች ቤተ ሙከራ፣ የቅየሳ ቤተ ሙከራና የኮምፒውተር ቤተ ሙከራዎች አሉት። አንድ በሲቪል ምህንድስና የሚመረቅ ሰው መንግስታዊ እና መንግስታዊ ባልሆኑ ድርጅቶች የመቀጠር እንዲሁም የግል ድርጅቶችን የመፍጠር እድል ይኖረዋል። ለምሳሌ የኢትዮጵያ መንገዶች አስተዳደር ወይም ኢራ የምንለው፣ የኢትዮጵያ ውሃ ስራዎች ኢንተርፕራይዝ፣ በከተማና ክፍለ ከተማ ማዘጋጃዎች፣ የአየር ማረፊያ ድርጅቶች፣ ባንኮች፣ የሲሚንቶ ፋብሪካዎች፣ ዲፌንስ ሚኒስቴር፣ የጥራት ማስጠበቂያ ቢሮዎች፣ የከተማና ልማት ሚኒስቴር መስሪያ ቤቶች፣ የኢትዮጵያ የኮንስትራክሽን ስራዎች ኮርፖሬሽን፣ የኢትዮጵያ የባቡር መንገድ ስራዎች ኮርፖሬሽን እና ሌሎችም ሊኖሩበት ይችላሉ። የግል ድርጅት የምንላቸው ደግሞ የግል ኮንስትራክሽን ካምፓኒዎች፣ የምህንድስና አማካሪ ድርጅቶች፣ የምህንድስና ዲዛይን ቢሮዎችና ሌሎችም ሲሆኑ በግል ካምፓኒ የመፍጠር እድል ይኖራል ደግሞ ስንል አጠቃላይ ኮንትራክተር ሊሆን ይችላል ከደረጃ 8 እስከ ደረጃ 1 ድረስ። የብሎኬት እና ሌሎች የኮንስትራክሽን እቃዎች አምራችና ሻጭ የመሆን እድል ይኖረዋል። ለኮንስትራክሽን የሚውሉ ግብአቶችን መመርመሪያ ድርጅቶች ባለቤት መሆንና ሌሎችንም መሆን ይቻላል። ስለዚህ እነዚህንና ሌሎች ጥቅሞችን ለማግኘት የሲቪል ምህንድስና ትምህርት ክፍልን ይመርጡ ዘንድ ምክራችን ነው።
Architecture is where creativity meets responsibility. When you become architects, you are becoming creative and responsible. አዳዲስ ነገሮችን ለማምጣት ችግሮችን ለመፍታትና በኃላፊነት ሁልጊዜም ለመስራት ኮሚት የምትሆንበት ነው። You are entering a discipline that's your life sentences. ከተሞችንና የሰዎችን ህይወት literally ሸፕ ማድረግ የሚችል መቅረጽ የሚችል ዲፓርትመንት ነው። This is the beginning of a transformative journey. በህይወታችሁ ውስጥ ሊያጋጥማችሁ ከሚችሉት በጣም ትልቅ ለውጥ ከሚባለው transformational journey መካከል choosing this department will be one of them. What's architecture really? Architecture is not just buildings. ኪነ ህንጻ ማለት ቢልዲንግ ብቻ አይደለም። ከሱ በጣም ሰፍቶ የሰው ልጅ ህይወቱን፣ ባህሉን፣ ልምዱን ሁሉንም ነገር የሚቀርጽልን ነው። It's about people, culture, climate and context. ስለዚህ ባህሎችን፣ ነባራዊ ሁኔታዎችን፣ የአየር ንብረቱን ሁሉንም ነገር የሚይዝልንና ዲዛይን የሚያደርግ ነው። or ደግሞ ለሱ መፍትሄ የሚሰጥ ነው። Architect design experience not just forms. የሰው ልጅ day to day የሆነ አክቲቪቲ like time by time segregate አድርገን ዲዛይን ማድረግ የምንችል we're like the experience designers ነን really activity design የምናደርገው ማለት ነው። Why architecture matters? Architecture affects how we live, learn, heal and gather. በፊት እንዳልነው ኪነ ህንጻ ማለት የአንድ ማህበረሰብ ወይም ግለሰብ ብንወስደው አንድ ሰው እንዴት ይኖራል፣ እንዴት ይማራል፣ እንዴት ይድናል፣ እንዴት ይብን ይታመማል how we get sick or እንዴት መሰብሰብ አለብን ለግላችን፣ ለማህበረሰብ፣ ለሁሉም የምንለው ቦታ ዲዛይን የምናደርግበት ነው። good design improves quality of life. ስለዚህ የሰው ልጅ ህይወት ኢምፕሩቭ የምናደርግበት ነው። Architects can advise social, environmental and cultural challenges. ስለዚህ moreover built environment ለሚባለው ነገር በሙሉ ማህበራዊ፣ አካባቢያዊና ባህላዊ የሆኑ or ደግሞ ማህበረሰባዊ ችግሮችን በሙሉ መፍታት የሚችል ትልቅ ዲፓርትመንት ነው። Architecture is a way of thinking. When you join this department, you will learn to observe deeply. በጣም በጥልቀት ማሰብን you will learn to think critically and creatively. በጣም ውስብስብ የሚባሉ ችግሮችን መፍታቶችን እና you learn to solve complex problems. ውስብስብ ቻሌንጆችን ደግሞ መፍታቶችን ማለት the skills that you develop drawing skills ተማራላችሁ communication ተማራላችሁ digital designoች including AI modeling and everything modeling ተጠቅማችሁ በሶፍትዌሮች AI ነው ኢንተግሬት አድርጋችሁ ማለት ነው ሪሰርቾችን ጥናቶችን እንሰራለን analysis comparativeዎችን storytelling teamwork leadership problem solving everything እነዚህ ሶሻል ስኪሎችን በሙሉ በዚህ ዲፓርትመንት ውስጥ ታገኛላችሁ yes architecture is challenging አብዛኛው ጊዜ እንደሚወራው ኪነ ህንጻ አድካሚ ነው of course ትንሽ አድካሚ ነው ግን ያ አድካሚነቱ የሎንግ ናይት ኤቭሪቲንግ ፔይ ኦፍ የሚያደርገው ደግሞ የሚከፍል በጣም ኢንትረስቲንግ ነው ማለት ነው your impact as a future architect. When you become a future architect, you become a designer of our social context. ስለዚህ ማህበረሰቡን ዲዛይን የምታደርጉ ከህፃናት እስከ ላይ ያለውን, which means your impact is very very big. Some works by our staff. ላንድስኬፑ ማራኪ መንጌት ያለው ላንድስኬፕ እና አብዛኞቹም የኛ ስታፎች የተሳተፉባቸው ናቸው። ስለዚህ ሪል ወርኮችን እንድታዩ ፈልገን ነው። There are famous international projects by renowned architects. በሴቶችና በወንዶች የተሰሩ የፌመስ አርኪቴክቶች ናቸው። ከላይ on the top left የምታዩትኝ ኖርማን ፎስተር ይባላል። right bottom ዛሃዲስ ትባላለች. she is a female architect and is a male. እሱ የሚለበዳክት ፍራንስ ያለውን ብሪጅ ዲዛይን ያደረገ ነው ከስትራክቸራል ማንዲስ ጓደኛው ጋር ነው። እሷ ደግሞ አዘርባይጃን ያለውን ይሄን ዲዛይን ያደረገች ነች። which means ሴትም ወንድም እኩል ኢምፓክት እንዳለው እንድናቀ ስላስፈለገ። ከዛ በመቀጠል ፍራንክ ጌሪ የሚባለው ከታች ያለው ነው። ዲኮንስትራክቲቪስት አርኪቴክት ገግኔ ሚውዚየም የሚሰራው ነው ቢልባኦ ስፔን። ከላይ ደግሞ የፍራንክ ሎይድ ራይትን እናያለን ማለት ነው። ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛሚኔሽን ይኖረዋል። የኪነ ህንጻ ትምህርት ክፍል 3 ፓርቶች ይኖሩታል። አፕቲቲዩድ፣ አርቲስቲክ ስኬቺንግ እና ፐርሰናል ኩዌስችንስ። አፕቲቲዩድ የሚኖረው ጀነራል የሆኑ ጥያቄዎችን ለማምጣት ማለትም ጀነራል ጥያቄዎችን ኤቭሪቲንግ ይኖረዋል። ከዛ ስኬቾች ይኖሩታል። አርቲስቲክ ስኬቾች የራሳቸውን የሆነ ክሬቲቭ ስኪል ማየት ስለምንፈልግ። ከዛ በመቀጠል ደግሞ ፐርሰናል ኩዌስችኖቹን or ደግሞ ኢንተርቪውን your motive to join this department የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። Thank you.
Construction Technology and Management.
About the department, it involves 2 main fields such as construction materials and project management. When it comes to construction materials, work with materials like cement, soil, aggregate, rock and water. Project management point of view, we have focus on the overseas of construction projects and from the start to finish, including the coordination of stakeholders, resource and process. Laboratory and workshops in our department. We have construction material lab and also building construction workshops are found in our department. Equipments are found in our department like penetrometer, sieve analysis or sieve test and slump cone, which are used to test the workability of concrete. The other one is we have compressive strength machine, which is used to test the compressive strength of concrete. The competencies expected from construction technology and management professionals. We have 2 competencies, which is construction technology and the second one is construction engineering. When it comes to the competencies expected from construction technology is practical and scientific knowledge of construction process, methods, techniques and materials and equipment, and also the ability to communicate with writing and graphical and technical drawing will be covered. When it comes to construction management, construction engineering competence, we have expected to understand the architectural and engineering design methods and process. Quite important construction technology and management profession, because it plays a critical role in the success of the construction projects as the construction industry continues to evolve with advancements in technology. Project management practice such as elements become increasingly vital in achieving efficiency, quality and sustainability building construction projects. The technology and management practice can role in crucial in delivering projects on time with budget and to highest quality standards. The other importance is the integration of advanced technology such as BIM, robotics and AI in the alongside effective project management, so is driving the transformation of the construction sector. The other one is as a construction technology management continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly shape the future of the industry and help meet the growing demand of innovative, efficient and sustainable infrastructure. What construction managers can do. This means what responsibilities and roles will be expected after graduating with this construction technology and management. If you are graduate with this, you will be a construction manager. So what things you are expected to do or what are your responsibilities and roles. The first one is you play a central role in the successful execution of construction projects, overseeing every aspect of the project from planning and design to the execution and completion of the project. The other responsibilities are You are responsible for the managing resources, ensuring adherence to schedules, controlling costs, and ensuring that the project meets quality standards and compliance with rules and regulations of the construction industry. Construction managers are essentially the bridge between the client, contractor, architecture, engineer, and workers on the ground, which is you are the bridge between the construction industry stakeholders. What technology can be used for construction technology and management professions? These are like construction automation, laser scanning for building scanning, like MRI scanning. We have also, there are equipments that are used to scan building construction projects. BIM or building information modeling, which are currently in used, which is used to monitor the project from the planning to the execution. Softwares like AutoCAD, Revit, MS projects are some technologies you expected to use to change the construction sector. Where professionals can be work. If you are graduate with this construction technology and management degree or profession, you are chance to work in Ethiopian Road Authority, different private consultant and contractor companies, Ethiopian Construction Work Enterprise, all regional and federal level construction work enterprises, road construction enterprise, municipality house in cities and towns, all regional work, water work construction works, and Ethiopian Engineering Group, all regional construction corporations, and projects like ports, dams, airports, and railway construction projects can be your destination. If you want to be a boss, join our department. Thank you very much for your attention.
Hydraulic and water resource engineering.
ይህን ትምህርት ክፍል ብትመርጡ ሀገራችሁን በምግብ ዋስትና ራሷን እንድትችል ታደርጋላችሁ። ለምሳሌ መስኖ ፕሮጀክቶችን በመስራት፣ ሁለተኛ በንጹህና የመጠጥ ውሃ አቅርቦት ጤናማ ትውልድ ትፈጥራላችሁ። ሶስተኛ ትልልቅ የግድቦችን በመገደብ የኤሌክትሪክ ኃይል በማመንጨት ህይወትን ማዕለል ትችላላችሁ። What is hydraulic and water source engineering? In general, hydraulic and water source engineering is focused on the study, development, management, and sustainable use of water for human and environmental needs. Why we study hydraulic and water source engineering? Ensuring safe and reliable water supply, supporting agriculture and food security, generating hydropower. The main objective of the program: train students in scientific and engineering principles of water, develop skills in design, modeling, and decision making, promote sustainable and climate resilient water management, prepare graduates for professional practice and research, plan, design, manage, and supervise construction of hydraulic and hydropower structure and associated with civil work. Graduate profile, or what you will become after graduate: as water source engineer, plan, irrigation, drainage, and water supply project. As hydraulic engineer, design dams, irrigation infrastructures like canal, water supply infrastructure like pipeline, and food protection system. As irrigation engineer, you will improve agriculture and food security through irrigation schemes. As hydropower engineer, plan and supervise renewable energy project. Laboratory, field work, and workshop facilities. We do have hydraulic laboratory to demonstrate fluid mechanics and flow experiment, and also we do have water quality laboratories to test and analyze water qualities. We have also GIS or geographical information system laboratories to map and spatial analyze. We have also demo site to hand-on practical training. We have also field visit and workshop exposure to real world project. Job opportunities from the sector: government, water ministry, river basin authority from federal to world level, consulting firms, design and supervision of water projects, NGOs and UN agencies like WASH, CARE Ethiopia, plan international world vision and order. As a contractor, you will construct dams, canals, and pipelines. Research and academia, universities, research institutions, private sectors like water utilities, hydropower companies. Collaboration, we are collaboratively work internationally and nationally. Internationally, we are collaboratively work from German, Kiel University. Nationally, we have collaborative work like Abayvazin, Amhara Design and Supervision Office. Messages to students: hydraulic and water source engineering is not just a degree, it is a service to society and the environment. By choosing this field, you are preparing to protect, live, support development, and ensure sustainable water for future generations. Thank you.